A lot of you are asking me if I'm still making those adapters to retrofit the new facelift M steering wheel to the older car models. Also, that means for the e39 and e46, and the answer is yes, I'm still making them. And if you want to order them, down below into the description you have my email and the prices, and you can order it. Or if you don't feel comfortable to make it yourself, you can send me your steering wheel so I can make it for you. In today's video, compared to the older video that I've made 2 years ago, I'm going to try to explain the easiest way how you can do it yourself. And first you need to disassemble the cover. You have 2 bolts here, and 2 bolts are on the opposite side. And also you have here 2 connectors. We're going to need this one, green one. So you just remove it, and this connector you can also remove. And now the ring is going like this, but it's not possible because of these tabs. So this tab needs to be removed. And this is all you can do with the grinder. But first cover the steering wheel. It is honing really well. It's not melting. So I'm gonna remove it without recording. Then when it's this finished, you just put the ring here. And then you just need to align. And now if you can see this small flat part, this needs to be parallel with this hole. So you just put it right here. And now this part has to be flattened. So I need to cut that piece. You can mark it with the marker, and as well this one. And now, as you can see, we do have here connector. It needs to be drilled from this side to this side. And now we have to try if this is fitting. This airbag connector we don't need anymore, so we can cut him. And now this is it. And now when it's everything fitting, it's time to glue the ring on the steering wheel. You just can take some 2-component glue. Make sure that everything is aligned. And now when the glue is cured, I need to drill 3 holes with a 2.5 mil drill. And you have the marks here. And now we are using this green connector, not the black one, and even the colors are not the same, but those wires also have black line and gray line. So I'm gonna match the lines with the color, even though it could be soldered vice versa. Now this wire goes here, and this connector goes here, but this connector is a little bit too wide for this one, so you just take the big cutting plier and then snap a little edge like this, and then it should fit perfect. And now the front cover, so this connector fits here for the buttons and lights. And this is it right now. It is a nice Alcantara leather, but I don't prefer it because it wears out pretty quickly. But it is what it is. And now this steering wheel is finished and ready to mount in the car. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.